bird.
It's there. Oh, there it is. In the corner. Oh, there's two. What's that? Oh, so there is. Oh, look at the view from here, Cara.
I know, this is where we watch the fireworks.
Look at the view. Let's show the view.
Here's the view.
How's it shining? How long have they been there
Oh,
for? Look, they're all dirty.
No, that would be fine because there's bread.
They're getting fed, but I'm scared that they're not getting enough.
Oh, did you get the app for the video, Cara?